What's up? It's a Sweet Tooth. It's my day off today, and I slept in, laying in bed, getting my tweet on, and Extreme Eats UK threw out the fridge challenge. So I got called out on it, and here I am. So fridge challenge is bottom right hand side fridge door product and top shelf back left corner. So my back left corner was baking soda and the door was liquid chlorophyll. I knew it was going to be something funky because both of those areas are relatively unexplored in my fridge. This, I don't even know how long it's been in the fridge, but it's not the one we cook with. It's the one that absorbs the stink and whatnot inside. So this thing's been collecting whatever it collects for a long time. I'm not thrilled, but I am somewhat excited. So we'll do 2 tablespoons of that. So the challenge is those 2 products, mix them together and consume it. Oh man, it's making like a gas smell. I don't know if these things were okay to mix together. I looked it up as far as ability to consume, and for this one it said to see a doctor if you're craving baking soda, because there's a reason, and liquid chlorophyll didn't say that it wasn't bad. Its directions are to drink it with water a couple of times a day. So it's very near like a clay now, but I don't want to add any more chlorophyll. So I got my trusty coffee, because I just woke up and it's noon, and my breakfast. Cheers. Holy shit, if I didn't have my coffee, I don't know if I'd be able to do it. I really don't want this second spoonful, but oh my god, so salty. Oh. Thanks for joining me for breakfast this morning. Hit up the fridge challenge. Put them on Twitter at Extreme Eats UK. Hashtag fridge challenge. That's delicious. I'm the Sweet Tooth. Do work.